Okay, for this short video, I'm going to talk about the odds and even functions. And this is for my pre-calculus class or pre-calculus students. It's chapter 5.1, it talks about the odds and even functions. So now for the odd functions, sine is odd function. So I'm going to make a note here. I'll drag the odd function here. Oops, supposed to draw. So sine is odd. Cosine is even, and I'll explain in more detail in a moment. Alright, so sine is odd, cosine is even. Now, why is it odd? I don't know why they name it odd, but for the odd function, just like the odd exponent, right? For example, if I have negative 2 to the third power, that exponent is odd, you got a negative 8. It acts like this. It acts like you just take a 2 and cube the 2 by itself. So it acts like the negatives don't even get to play inside your cube exponent, your cubic exponent. So you got the 8, and then you just drag along the negative. I guess that's why they call it the odd. Now the even is the cosine. Now look at how the odd function, you can put out the negative in the front. For the even function, which is a cosine, so cosine is even, it erased your negative when you run through a cosine. It acts like this. If I have negative 2 square is even, it acts like that 2, the negative don't even exist. It does not exist in the parentheses. All right, so it acts like that. Now, one way to remember, or one way to explain it, and again, I don't know how the odd and even name comes to be. So I just got this. Now, sine of, say, 30 degrees. Okay? And versus the sine of negative 30 degrees. So this is negative 30. So if I get a negative sine, or the sine of negative 30, it's just like the sine of the positive 30, but it's on the opposite side if it's negative. So you can just put the negative out here and then call it sine of positive 30, being a negative in the front. Okay, and that's one of the observations you have on the unit circle itself. Now for the angle on, or for the length on the x-axis, that's the cosine. So let's pick on 30 again. So cosine of 30 is the same as cosine of negative 30. It doesn't matter because cosine is this way. Negative 30 is this side, so it's root 3 over 2. Positive 30 is up here, but the x value is still root 3 over 2. So that is the odd and even. The takeaway here for the odd and even, if there is a negative in the parentheses like that here on the sign is odd, you can put the negative outside. So it's just like parking your negative sign outside of your sign. For the cosine, if there's a negative inside there, you can erase it. It goes away. All right, pausing the video here.